This is the dryer heating element kit I recently purchased. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed for you and show you what comes inside. So first off, we have one of our thermostats. I'm looking at it right here. This looks like our thermal fuse. Awesome. We have another thermostat. We got another one. Yep. Multiple ones come in this kit. And also lastly, we have our heating element itself. Just looking this over, I like what I'm seeing here. All these ceramic insulators are intact. I have purchased some before and they were cracked upon arrival, which is no good and doesn't really speak to the quality. But this isn't the case here. All these appear to be intact, in good shape. I don't see any issues with the coil sagging or anything like that, making contact with the case. So that's very good. So far so good. We got everything that's supposed to come in the kit. So what we need to do is install this thermostat right here, and the way it needs to go on. It needs to slide. I'm gonna simply put it. There we go. So we've got it in place here. Just slid this little tab down in the hole, and then make sure our connector here is secure. So after getting our heating element successfully installed, I'm gonna put this blanket in our dryer, and we're gonna run our dryer as a test just to make sure everything is working the way it should. So let's go ahead and get this dryer configured and get it started here for you. Now after starting the dryer, I'm gonna check the heating element and we can see that it is getting hot. Blanket feels like it's drying up, so that's a win, guys. If you're definitely looking for a heating element, give this kit here some consideration.